The British pound is locked in the absolute final stages of a critical wave to decline. The GBPUSD pair has been grinding sideways to lower in an obvious corrective setback ever since topping out at the 1.30-5-80-9 level back on April 14th, setting the stage for what could be one of the most explosive trading opportunities of the quarter. The macro-technical structure is pointing directly to a massive, impending Elliott Wave breakout. While it initially looked like the cable carved out a secondary bottom at 1.30-3-0-5 last week to end the corrective phase, the subsequent bounce off that June 8th low has been notably choppy and overlapping, a classic sign of a corrective countertrend rally rather than a new impulsive surge. This implies that yesterday's peak at 1.30-4-60-1 marked the top of a complex corrective structure. As a result, the immediate downward pressure we are tracking this week represents the final submicro wave, C-Legan ending wave matching multiple degrees of trend. Momentum traders should brace for this near-term decline to develop into a sharp five-wave structure, likely taking the shape of a clean impulse or a terminal diagonal pattern. The ultimate buy zone for the bulls is perfectly defined right on the daily charts. An exceptionally strong cluster of technical wave relationships is sitting between the 1.30-2-60-2 and 1.30-2-80-6 zones, resting just a few pips below last week's swing low. This entire bullish wave count remains fully valid as long as the market strictly holds above the vital double bottom support floor of 1.30-1-70-5 established in early April. If that level breaks, the structural bias completely shifts. However, if the floor holds, clearing this final correction will pave the way for a powerful, massive wave 3 rally, traditionally the longest and most aggressive surge in the entire 8-wave sequence forecasting. An explosive medium-term extension up toward 1.37 and much higher levels over the coming weeks. Will this final downside dip hit the ultimate wave cluster zone and ignite a furious 300-pip rally, or will the bears force a catastrophic break below the line in the sand? Make sure you do not miss the launch of this massive Wave 3 sequence. Hit that subscribe button right now for daily, fast-paced Forex insights and breaking Elliott Wave setups.